This is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, there's blizzard warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Winter storm warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Timing: rain and snow will develop tonight and change to all snow by late tonight. The snow will be heavy at times, before decreasing Saturday evening. Snow accumulations are expected to range from 10 to 15 inches. Wind forward-slant visibility: north winds will increase to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour by Saturday afternoon. Visibilities will be reduced to less than 1/4 mile due to heavy falling snow and blowing snow. Impacts: hazardous winter driving conditions will plague drivers on Saturday and Saturday night. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.